Girls, I have not filmed a YouTube video in a long time. We're drinking some pineapple juice with ice. Of course, I can't drink any drink without ice. In a Coraline cup that my sister gave me. Are we loving my makeup though? I'm obsessed when I have a baby blue with a bubblegum pink blush and lip. This is me. This is truly just me. I love it so much. This is kind of random, but I discovered my love for blue eyeshadow in 2023. I've been doing it a little bit more often, and this is just gonna be my go-to because I'm a little bit tired of the brown. Anyway, hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a very exciting video. If you guys have been here for a while and you know me, I am the biggest fan of LA Girl Cosmetics. They just sent me the biggest PR package known to man, and on top of that they gave me one of each to give away to you guys. So stay tuned throughout the whole entire video because I'm gonna give you guys the rules, all that stuff, how to enter. You have to be 18 and up to enter or get your parents' permission. Let's just make that clear. But let me just show you guys how huge it is. Actually, I need to back you guys up. Hold on. This is how big. It's huge, guys. It's huge. Are we liking the cozy outfit? Fuzzy Hello Kitty pants. My favorite Hello Kitty sweater. I just think it's all such a baby little outfit. We're gonna see what the LA Girl team sent over to me. I told them that I did a whole makeup clean out, which obviously we all know that makeup expires after 1 year, just to be safe. It was time because I had been holding on to makeup for like, I don't even know, probably like 20 years. So it was time for me to let go of it. And a lot of my LA Girl makeup was very old because you guys know I've been collecting it since forever. And I told them, I was like, I really don't have many of the products that I used to use all the time. So my makeup routine has been off and it's been very different. And they're like, oh no, like we'll go ahead and send you one of each item that we think you would like, plus one for your followers. So that's probably why this is so huge. I specifically asked, I was like, I have always wanted to do a giveaway with LA Girl for you guys because I've always wanted you guys to get the chance to understand why I love LA Girl so much. So I'm not sure if I want to do one winner or if I want to do 3 winners. I kind of want to do 3 because I want everyone to get a little piece. We might do 2, we might do 3. Who knows? This is what it looks like. Huge package. Let me actually post this on my Instagram story. 1 second, guys. I just got sent the biggest PR package from LA Girl BTS. Okay guys, are we ready to see what's inside? I really don't even know where to start at all. We guys see how many boxes? So let's just take out the boxes first. 1 box. They're tinted foundations. I actually haven't tried their tinted foundation yet, so that's gonna definitely be next on my list. So we have the Lip Haze Soft Matte Lip Colors. So they sent me 2, one for me and one for you guys. Sent me all of their Pro Setting Powders. My dream. Get one as well. I don't know what this is. There's gonna be so much. Okay, what is this? Ooh, this just has a whole bunch of different stuff in it. This one, yeah, this is the same exact one, so I'm like trying to put everything aside for me and for you guys. 2 of these white ones. What's in here? Oh my gosh, I have used these cream blushes. I can't even begin to explain to you guys how amazing and long lasting these are. I went on a whole day trip and all the way into the night with LA Girl last year at a Jingle Ball. It lasted from like 11 in the morning all the way till 1 in the morning. Anyway, it lasted a long time. Then we have 2 of these. Ooh, oh, these are, I think I've tried one of these. This is their Dreamy Matte lipsticks. Oh my goodness, I think this is all of their concealers. Let's see what this is. Holy duck. Okay, this first of all comes with their brush, which I love their brush so much. This is literally all of LA Girl's foundation, and you guys get all of this. I don't even know. Wow. I'm putting your guys aside. That was all for the things that will be in the giveaway. I'm gonna go into depth right now. I'm at a loss for words. The fact that they gave us so many things. I am sweating at this point. I already put aside all the things that are your guys's. To start off, because this is the big mama out of all of them, this is my absolute all-time favorite foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Just gonna put that to the side. Moving on to the lippies. This is the Lip Haze Soft Matte Lip Color. This is what they look like. I definitely am more of like a nude toned girl. This one or this one is gonna be my favorite. Let's try her out. Whenever there's packaging on a product, course, I always just like twist the top. This is the easiest way. I would have loved this extra harder. This is a very gorgeous color. If it was like 2 shades a little bit nuder, I would genuinely make the best Aidette collection x LAGIRL. I know it in my soul. The day that I do get a collection with LAGIRL, I would love to have a baby blue eyeshadow like this, a bubblegum super bright pink blush, my signature, and a bubblegum pink lip, along with a chocolatey brown coffee like lip liner, bubblegum pink super glossy lip gloss. That would be my dream. Like my dream. And like a very sparkly white glittery iridescent shadow to double as highlight and inner corner. Mark my words, guys, it will happen. It will happen. Moving on to LAGIRL's blushes. This is their LAGIRL Soft Matte Cream Blush. Like I said, I've worn her before. This one is called Rosebud. And let me just show you what this color looks like without anything else in it. Again, this is Rosebud, and you don't need a lot, like that little dot. I've always loved LAGIRL. They're affordable, amazing quality, and there's just so many amazing things that I can say about them. Moving on to the next package. This has an assortment of a ton of different products, so let's see one by one what's in here. Oh, before I get into that, I'm so sorry, let me show you guys the rest of the blush shades that there is. So there's these 3 colors right here. Then we have these 2 beauties. This one is called Cutie and Blissful. I have not tried these. These are the LAGIRL On Cloud 9 bouncy eyeshadows. This is what they look like up close. When I tell you guys that this a heaven sent mist, it's a heaven sent mist. This, I'm convinced this is part of the reason why my makeup stayed on all freaking day long when I went to Jingle Ball with LAGIRL last year. Keeps you so matte. I don't know how. LAGIRL is the queen when it comes to liner. My favorite liner is the Artist liner by LAGIRL, and now they have a double-ended one. They actually didn't have it online, and they only had it certain places in store or something like that, and I had told LAGIRL, I was like, I can't find it on the site. I really want to link it for my followers, and I was like, can you guys put it online possibly? Me thinking that they probably wouldn't because they have so many other things to do. That same day they put it on their site, and I was like, wow. And a lot of you guys have told me that you got the Artist liner and you freaking love it. This one is, oh, they're both Coral Bliss. One thing about my sister and I, we are so obsessed with lip balms. I've never met someone that is equally as obsessed with keeping our lips moisturized. This is what they look like. We have the LAGIRL lip plumpers. This one is in black cherries, this one is in shimmer, and I also got Misty Mauve for the cloud blushes. I have a whole collection of LAGIRL nail polishes. They're so good. Ooh, I haven't used this before. This is LAGIRL's Hydro Fresh Soft and Silky Priming Moisturizer, Hydrating Moisturizer. The cleansing balm. Oh my goodness, LAGIRL has a cleansing balm. Rose setting powders, 6 different loose powders and 3 pressed ones. The blue one especially, guys, we're gonna have to try all of these out. In here we have the Stay and Play Longwear Matte Lip Crayons, and we also have the Time to Go Lip Color Remover. I've never seen that before. So here's the lip remover, and then here on this side are all of the shades of the crayons. And now, very lastly, we got all of the LAGIRL tinted foundations. This is sheer to medium coverage. That is all that LAGIRL sent me for a makeup collection refresh, and also for today's giveaway. I'm so excited for you guys to be able to get a part of this. Whoever is a lucky winner, you guys are truly blessed, and I'm so excited to see you guys open this. The rules are going to be very simple. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have them down below. Again, do make sure that you're 18 or you do have your parents' permission, and you guys also do have to be in the US. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much LAGIRL for always supporting me since I was the tiniest little makeup loving girl up to now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.